You know, the other day, someone told me that this girl named Alyssa. Is there an Alyssa in this classroom? Oh, she's absent today? Oh, well, whatever. I can talk about her then. Kids, her friend was telling me yesterday she's some kind of YouTuber. What is that? Does anybody know? Why does everyone seem too scared to answer? You know what? Don't answer. I don't care. Are you done grading the papers? Madison and Jacob, or whatever your name is, are you done grading the papers? Good. Let me see. Get that pen back. Let's see how you did. You gave them all A pluses? Really? Well, it doesn't matter, but still. Guess everyone gets A pluses now. Well, actually, I'm gonna change Filbert's to an F really fast. Perfect. Well, so about this YouTuber thing, she sounds like a really weird kid. Raise your hand if you think that I should kick Alyssa out of the classroom for having a suspicious job thingy. No one's raising their hands? Well, just never mind then. You're so... All you kids are so scared. Wait, why is there someone coming in with a birthday cake? Does anybody know? Well, Filbert, it's your birthday? Well, why did you tell me? I would have gotten you a gift. Hi, Parrot. You're bringing a cake in. Oh, it's Filbert's birthday? Oh, I didn't know. Why didn't he tell me? Oh, well, you can just set the cake right there. Yeah, on my desk. Thank you. Oh, yeah, unfortunately, we're not allowed to have parents staying here when we eat the cake. Yeah. Sorry about that. See you later. Bye. Filbert, why didn't you tell me it was your birthday and that your mom was going to bring a cake? We do not allow cakes in this classroom. So give me that fork and knife. Thank you. What? Why are you staring at me? Huh? We do not allow cake in this classroom. You should know that by now. Instead of cake, we're going to have healthy salad or something. Well, actually, we're not having anything. You already ate lunch. So you don't need the cake. It's extra calories and extra sugar and extra fat that you don't need. So we're not having the cake. Time to throw it away. Done. In the trash. Oh, I almost forgot. There's another new kid come to our class today. Probably because all the moms and dads are hearing how Miss Johnson is such a great teacher, which I am. So, we're getting a new student. His name is... I don't remember, but it doesn't matter. So, coming in about 20 minutes, and you're not gonna blow it. We already had Mackenzie join our class, and now we're having somebody else join our class. Do not ruin it for me. First impression is very important for this kid. He's gonna think I am the nicest teacher in the world, even though I lecture you all day. Because you're the bad ones, not me. I am super nice and perfect in every way. Here comes the new kid. Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to the class. I'm Miss Johnson, and here's all the kids. Yeah, what's your name again? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's easy to remember. You can go ahead and sit next to Mackenzie, our other new student. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so everyone meet David. Yes? Oh, wait, David, what is that? A fidget cube and a phone. Oh, unfortunately, David, we do not allow fidget cubes and phones, so let me just take that. Yeah, we do not allow those in our class. You know, I'm gonna sit you next to Filbert instead, because you guys would get along great. Yeah, you could just sit right there. Perfect. Filbert, don't. Okay, perfect, yeah. So, Oh, I think there's another rule that you should know, David. Whenever you want to ask me something, you must ring the bell. Just so you know. Filbert, did I ask you to talk? No, I did not. So shut your mouth. Okay. David, can you please step out of the classroom for a minute? Thank you. Kids, you actually did kind of good when he showed up. So keep being good or else you'll regret it. Alyssa, that is you? People said that you were absent today, but you're not. Well, come here. Is it true that you're really a YouTuber, even though I don't even know what that means? Is it true? It is? What is a YouTuber, Alyssa? What is that? You have almost 10 million subscribers? Stop bragging. Go sit down. I don't even know what a subscriber is, but it sounds weird, so sit down, weirdo. Okay, someone go let David back in the classroom now that I'm done lecturing Alyssa. Hi, David. Yeah, okay, you can just sit right back down. Thank you. You're being so, good. Oh, hey, Chloe, you're a little bit late today. Is there a reason for that? Oh, well, you just arrived. You can just sit down. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, you have a gift for me. Thank you. This is so nice, Chloe. You know I love Hawaii. Thank you so much. I will put it right here. It's so pretty. I love it. Thank you so much. Yeah, you can just, you know what, since you're being so good today, you can have lunch right now, even though it's too late and no one else got lunch. Yeah, you can have lunch. Sure. You can sit right here in this special spot next to the teacher. Perfect. Don't be jealous, kids. Oh yes, and I also have a special task for you. If you want, you can grade some papers. Here you go. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be great at that because the other kids, they were not good at it. But yeah, I'm sure you'll be great. Yeah. Sally, I thought I told you to wipe the makeup off your face. You did? No, you didn't. I still see color. Now wipe it off, now. Or just go to the bathroom and wipe it off. I don't care, but get it off your face. I do not allow it. Huh? Wait, someone rang the bell? What do you have to say, John? Wait, you said Chloe's wearing makeup, so why can't the other girls? Well, just get in your seat. She can wear makeup if she wants, but you guys can't. Ooh, very pretty. These are so pretty, Chloe. Thank you. I will keep them forever. Kids, it's almost time for you to go. Oh, Chloe, thank you so much for grading these papers. Thank you. Yeah, you can go sit down if you want. Bye. Kids, you were horrible today. And it's almost time for you to go home. Who touched that? Kids. Oh, power outage. Wait, what? Why are the lights turning off? Jacob, did you just do that as a prank? But everyone's saying he didn't. So it is a power outage? Oh, great. Well, looks like we're going to be here all night, kids. Thanks a lot, Jacob, or whoever made the power outage happen. I see, kids. I told you it really was raining outside. That's why we didn't go to lunch. There was a storm. I told you. I'm always right. Well, guess we're just gonna have to wait here till the power's back on. Someone said it's getting later in the day. Well, of course it's getting later in the day. Ugh, you're so weird. Chelsea, what's in your hands? What is that? Do not lie to me. What is that yellow fat thing in your hands? What is that? A pineapple? Really? Chelsea, how many times do I have to warn you we do not allow stuffed animals or toys in the classroom? This is not kindergarten, is it? No, it's not. This is mine now, not yours. Guess the power's still not on. Thanks a lot, Jacob or John, whoever it was. While we're sitting here, I just heard a zipper. What was that? A jacket? No, it was not. Do not make up excuses. What was it, Jacob? What is that? A bunny? Why do you guys keep on bringing weird toys to school? What, you think now that it's dark in the classroom you're allowed to bring out all your confiscated items, huh? What is this? Oh my gosh! What is this supposed to be? Do you have an excuse for this mess? You don't? Well, guess what? Detention. And you're not getting all these dumb little rocks back. Ooh, these are cool. Wow, I like these. Oh, nobody saw that. Putting these back. Oh, they won't even fit. Whatever. Just. Well, now that this is mine, and this, kids, everyone take a good look, because if you bring any of these kind of things into class, they will be mine, not yours. Oh, kids, power's back on. Time to leave. See you later. What time is it? 5 in the afternoon? It's time for me to get dinner at an expensive, fancy restaurant. I'll see you later.